Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in the puzzle page of the weekend edition. The weekend edition of Saturday, May the 4th. Today it's Memorial Day. Tomorrow, May the 5th, Sunday, it will be Liberation Day here. And in this puzzle page, I've already solved 4 puzzles. The 4-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, the binary with 4 stars, and it's time now for the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, and this will be number 84. 84. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 18. I think it should be a 1-star, maybe a 0 stars. 1-star puzzle need to be faster than 15 minutes. And if it's a 0 stars, then need to be faster than 14 or 13 minutes. All right. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here duo boxes contains the 1 and the 2? Well, I see here a duo box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. More duo boxes? No. How about triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, we have a triple box here. The 2 is already given, so 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. Well, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box, we have a triple box here. This box can be a 2, can be a 3, so 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 1. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. I see here only 1 quadra box. Oh, overlook this triple box. Well, let me continue with this one. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. We go back to the triple box here. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, let's we have here the, if you rotate this, you will get the S construction. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z construction. It's the same shape. Let me draw the shape here. Yeah, let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, it's a 2 or a 3 here. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Now we have a 1 here. So, okay, this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Well, I've We have a 1 here. I forgot to place the 1 over there because it's the same number. Okay. Now. Now. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. Then 3 and a 5. Okay. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If we place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place, so it can be a 2. So I've marked these 2 boxes with 2 or a 3. Well, it can be 2 anymore, so this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box should be also 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for number 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, let me mark those. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Yeah, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Then this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 5 then. Alright. Now these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this area. Should be here. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for us. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. 2 and a 5. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this quarter box should be the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then, oh, it's connected with each other. Should be also 2 and a 1, okay. These 3 boxes, so the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. And this box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then let me see. Yeah. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Come on. Let me go up. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. And that box can also not be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and 1. That box should be a 1. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now. So this box can be 1 and 1. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Then this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box, we have 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. Well, we have a double 5 there. If you place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area should be there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 5. We have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 1 box left in this cross area for number 4. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. I think this box. Wait. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and 1. That box should be a 1. Then 2 and the 1. Okay. Let me see. Come on. 5. I need. Oh, this box can be a 5. We have a 5 there. This box can also not be a 5. We have a 5 over here. So the only place left for the 5 in this W area shape is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this Z or S construction should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 box left in this area for number 2. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. We solve it again. Definitely a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well, please with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow afternoon. We have also a puzzle. No. We have more puzzles in this weekend edition. Additional, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the afternoon. And tomorrow, well, we have a Samurai Sudoku. And if I have the time, I will correct 1 puzzle. I've made an error on Friday. Yes, Friday with a speed test. Made an error. I believe someone has mentioned it, and it's correct. I've made a mistake. Well, see you then. Bye-bye for now.